So I've been wondering how much actual capacity in what's supposed to be a 720 or 750, I think it's 720 watt hour battery these e-bikes have. They rate them, but I don't see anybody talking about actually how much they can charge them. And of course, none of the chargers have any way to actually monitor that. So I hacked my charger and put an inline watt meter. The problem is that it disables power as soon as it reaches full charge based on a single pin that's in there on the BMS that's in the battery controller in these. So I hooked up my GoPro to just do time delay snapshots of it and kind of just watch and see what it is. Now this is just a test run. I was about 86% on the battery still, so it's not gonna have the actual full capacity, but I will discharge it down close to 5 or maybe a little bit lower percent here. That tomorrow I'm gonna go for a big ride, and then we will charge it up and see what it takes. But proof of concept for 20 bucks, little inline voltmeter, and I can unplug it and just plug those supply lines straight back in to bypass that if I need to. But for the most part, all I did was unsolder the positive and negative lead. It's going to show me voltage. It's going to show me current. And you can see it started out about 3.7 amps when I first started charging at 86%. It's now getting pretty close to probably peak because it's dropped to 2.1. I know it does slow down there as you get close to the end, but we're at about 98 watt hours. And I suspect I have about 120 watt hours on what this needs, but it'll be a good way for me to actually monitor how that works. The problem is, like I said, the way these work, the BMS sends a signal back down to stop voltage output when it reaches full charge to keep these things from burning up. And that is going to make this output display reset. And you can get these displays, RC planes or chargers, you can get these for like 25 bucks. And they're really a pretty good use unit for putting in there. I wish they came with those just built in. That would be awesome.